more examples. So just let me move this one. Okay, fantastic. So I'm going to write here. We're going to do 48 over 64. So remember, first step that we're going to do is do the 3-factor for both numbers, numerator and denominator. So 48, and then divide it. I'm going to use 6 and 8. 6 times 8 is 48, and then none of those are prime factors. So then I simply continue with the 6, and I get into 2 and 3, and both are prime factors. And I get into 2 and 4, and then I continue 2 and 2. Wonderful. I have finished with the 48. And now the 64, I'm going to go 2 and 32. And 32, it's 2 and 16. And 16 is 4 and 4. And 4 is 2 and 2. And 4, 2 and 2. Wonderful. Great. Now I'm going to write it right away here. So 48 is equal to what? 2. How many 2's do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 3. Great. And now 64. How many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now other prime factors. So 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wonderful. And then I start canceling up. 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2, 2 and 2. Okay, in this case I'm left with a 3 on top. So that means that is 3 over 2 times 2, which is 4. And there you go. You have simplified your fraction. Wonderful. Let's do another one. Let's do this one. 7 and 40 over 64. Okay, so what happens with this one is that we have a mixed fraction. But what we have to know when we have mixed fractions is that whole number, I don't have to simplify it, okay? It's already simplified. I only have to worry about the fraction part, that is 40 over 64. So first step, I'm going to do the factors tree of numerator and denominator. So we start here. I'm going to start with 4 and then 10, and then 4 is 2 and 2, and then 10 is 2 and 5. Great. And then 64, and we just did 64, didn't we? Yes, we just did 64, so I don't have to do it again. Okay, so 40, so this is going to be, don't forget about the 7, whole number, and now 40 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 over 32 that we said that it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Fantastic. And then I start simplifying 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. Great. And I'm left with 7 as a whole number, 5 as a numerator, and underneath I have 2 times 2, which is 4 times 2, 8. 5 eighths. And that's my answer. Great. Let's do one last one. 49 over 56. So I start with doing my trees. I'm going to do a little bit. 49 is 7 and 7. Great, and both are primes. And then 56 is 7 and 8. And 8 is 4 and 2. and then 4 is 2 and 2. Great. So I'm going to write this one. 49 is going to be equal to 7 times 7, and then underneath is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 3 times 7. Wonderful. And now I'm going to simplify 7 and 7. I cannot simplify anything else, therefore it's going to be 7 over 8, and that's my final answer. Okay, girls, fantastic.